DACA made me come out of the shadows, say that I was undocumented, and gave me opportunities that unfortunately as undocumented I wouldn't. And now more than ever, we need a solution. We need the court to find a solution for us dreamers. Para tener un permiso para trabajar. Currently, estoy trabajando we're here because we want the court to hear that even though we might not be born here, we consider us Americans, New Yorkers, we've been here all our lives. Going back to our country is a country that we don't know.
Nuestra lucha no termina en las cortes, también estamos luchando en los pasillos del Congreso y
we have no time to wait for the Congress to come up with a legislation that will protect us. Our lives depend upon this ruling. We're running out of time. Our families are running out of time. And that's why it's so important that he rules in this case as soon as possible.
There are New Yorkers who are left out of the injunction issued in California. There are claims that were left out of the injunction issued in California. There's a record in this case of New Yorkers, New York dreamers, New York employers, New York universities and hospitals that want to be heard. And we want a decision from the court in Brooklyn upholding the rights of New Yorkers as we move forward. We want, if this gets to the Supreme Court, to have as full a record as possible. No one has raised any argument that the dreamers should not be allowed to stay here. These are people who work and play by the rules. They contribute to our communities. I'm here representing a large group of states because our state universities rely on dreamers. Our state hospitals rely on dreamers. They work for state agencies and community agencies. They have children that are American citizens who might be left without resources if this program was ended.
Standing up against President Trump for creating this DACA crisis.
so many of our plaintiffs and members of Make the Road New York did not get the chance to submit initial applications because they became eligible after the Trump administration cruelly terminated the program on September 5th of last year.
Of proper process, the lack of fairness, the lack of consideration of issues.